last week. Okay, facing the front is unfast, remember. Can you show me crossing? How do we do crossing position again? Crossing. It is, yay! Good job, Dean! Oh my God, crossing is cross. Now, how do you know if you're to cross? Left shoulder, or the shoulder that is nearer to the back, you should be able to see both. Ito yung tricky pag nandito kayo. You think you're not cross too much. Pero medyo kabila. More back, facing the front. Yan! Okay? Don't forget it's both feet, hips, and shoulders. So, hindi lang siya ito. Yes, okay? We will do forward bend, backward, side bend. Okay? 5, 6. One more thing. Check your feet. Naka-turn out pa ba siya? Ayan. Kasi ang tendency natin pag crossing, we see the feet pointing forward. So, toes pointing to the side first. Okay? 7, 8. We will do 4 counts. 1 and 2. Pick up the head. 3 and 4. Now, bending back tilt to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We will go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Face on fast. 1. Plie, tall loop, close crossing. Same thing. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tilt to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you tall loop to the side, face the front. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So the trick there is, kasi diba, our orientation is here. How do I face to the side? Look at my standing leg. Very micro lift. Ha. Bakit? If I don't lift it, diba turn out. If I don't lift it, your leg is stuck in an awkward position. So to go from crossing to unfast, micro lift. Ha. Okay? We gain 7. Same thing here. Ha. Kasi if you don't adjust the heel, pagdating mo dito over, turn out care. Okay? Sige, let's listen to the funky music for this exercise. Let's see. So this is adage. Kaya mo na natin. 7, normal siya. 4 counts each, 4 counts going up. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 4 counts back. 5. Kaya mo na ito Let's go here. 6, 7, and 8. Reach 4 counts. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again. Okay, yes? Ready? Okay. Siguro na makahanapin ko dito. Yes. Back bend. From here, nag-open siya. Forward bend here. We're up with your further back. Back bend. Yes. So may konting breath siya. Actually, ito yung mapapansin niya sa ballet. Walang magbaback bend here man. Bigla mag-bend siya. It looks so sudden. Even pressing niya sa bar, always a bit of breath to take you back. Konti lang. A bit of lean forward. Ayoko sabihin lean kasi mamaya super tayo. Super late lang talaga niya. Yes. Does that answer your question? Okay, from the back, the arms go around. Side, this one passes through first before opening to second. And then from down, reset in second because we're going down here. Okay? Ready? So don't forget back bend. Tilting head to the side. Right side is tilted to the right, left side is tilted to the left. Okay? Ready? Crossing na tayo. Crossing. And normally yung music natin. 6, and 7, and 8, and 3. Flat back to the 1, and 2. All the way up 3, and 1 and close, 2 and close, plie up, close back, left, 1 and close, 2 and close, plie up, close back, side, 1 and close, 2 and close, plie up, close back, left, 1 and close, 2 and close, plie up, close back. Yes? Okay? You have 4 chances to balance. We're gonna give you a chance to win today. Okay? Front, front, back. Front, front. As I close back. Side, side, up. Side, side, up. Okay? How do we do the passive balance? Basta, number 1, don't overthink. Or number 2, get there as fast as you can. Solid. Yes, okay? Solid. Because if you creep up, mas may chance kayo, you have more chances of getting off balance. If you get there agad, solid na kayo agad. Okay? Right? But with that, listen to the music. Very good at the guiding. Yes! Okay na yan. What's that? Plie up. Does it turn in? You mean ganito? No. Kasi diba, if you turn it in, where is your knee facing? To the front. Actually, yan ang ano, if you find your leg turning in as you go up, baka naka-overturn ako. So, be in a position na pagka-plie mo, you're going directly up down. Bakit? The moment that your back foot turns in, more parts of yourself ang nagbabago, which change ang center of gravity mo. So it will make it trickier for you to balance. Kasi if you go up, tapos may kasama pa nito, parang extra part of yourself that has to calculate how you're balanced. Kasi balance ka na dito, di ba? Tapos nag-change ka ng position of leg. Mas mahirapan ka to balance. So dapat elevator na up and down. Up, yes! Down, up and down. Yes, okay? Ready? Kasi the more, yan siya ha, dapat elevator ka up and down lang. Kasi the more you change anywhere else, the more na kailangan i-calculate ng katawan mo. Okay, because something changed, the center of gravity changed, you have to work harder to keep your balance. Okay, ready? Music mo na. Music mo na. 1, and close, and 2, and close, and up. Dami yung kaya. Down, and front again. Front, okay? Gamit yung time to balance, okay? Ready? Arms ha, strong arms again. Ready? 6. To the front, 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 and close. Front, and close. Plie up. Nice. Yes, nice, baby. Left to the front, front, front. Sika pa, front. Plie up. Yes, nice, Hannah. To the side, right. Side close back, and close front, and plie up. Yes, nice, Dayan. And left. Side close back, left. Side close front, plie up. And closing, nice. Okay, finish properly. Let's do one more of that. Ready? It's a not easy, right? So, right, balance. Left, balance. Okay? Ready? Arms in front up. Any questions? Pero ang solid ng balances na this session na compared to session 1. Galing, medyo nahanap lang center of gravity. Konting ano na lang. Actually, hindi ko rin. Less overthink lang. Yan talaga. Yes! Yes! You have to go down na plie. Para soft landing type. It's an option naman instead straight leg. But for now, let's do plie. Para soft landing tayo. And then ready. Okay?
Sorry.
Yes!
What's the transition of the arms after you go down?
Up, plie, ha. Ito na. Simple lang. So when we go to balance, pagka-plie grab, diba? So that you can go up, down, open. 1. Yes. Okay. One more time, ha? Hindi naman kayo mag-ingat ng back. Okay. Ready? 6. And front. 1. Hinga. sauté means to drop. Échapper means to escape. Échapper sauté means escaping jump. Because your feet are escaping from each other. Okay? Remember for each first, second, shang. Right, left. Open, close, okay? Again, match. First. Second. Right, left. Open, close. Bigyan natin ng arm. Wow! But first position, arms and ground lang. First. The second, open second. So from first to second. Second. The four shanshmas, it's gradually bringing the arm down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as much as possible, wag sa 1 na dito ka na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extra sauté, open, close. So it's the motion of open, down. Again, open, down. So first. Second. Shashma 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, down. Try mo na natin. Siguro makakailang rounds naman tayo dito para may chances of winning today. Okay? Harap lang ang music. So, gusto niyo faster, no? Kasi nakakapagod eh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Kaya? Listen ka. Let's do like 4. So from Bravaha, open, down. Saan yung open yan na? Open, down. Your legs. Shake. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, down. Okay? So the arms, walang ganito. Down. Okay? Music, kaya? Listen one more time ha. Kahit relax na kayo. Mark it in your head, the legs, but do the arms. Let's do the arms, 2 sets ha. 5, 6, 7, 8.